Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD LTZ Trail Boss. Comes equipped with a 6.6-liter turbo diesel Duramax engine paired to a 10-speed automatic Allison transmission. Other benefits included such as premium leather heated and cooled seats, as well as BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, spray bed liner, adaptive cruise control, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with paneling cup holder storage on the bottom here. Equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. It'll come up here to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with your seat memory and the wooden chrome accents. You also have power retractable running boards. And onto the seats, you got these leather heated and cooled seats with power adjustable lumbar, super nice. Left side, you'll have your vents as well as your heads-up display control. And just below that will be your drive mode selector and your lighting as well. Left side of the steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel. And the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. Now it's an all digital speedometer. You can access pretty much everything you need from your trip information, your gauges, adaptive cruise, as well as you can access audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and access other settings as well. It's going to be push to start. You're going to have the classic column truck shifter. Onto the infotainment. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps. You can also access your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, and as well as your rear cams and trailer hitch. You also got built-in Wi-Fi hotspot with Amazon Alexa and My Chevrolet as well. Just below that, you're going to have your exhaust brake with lane departure warning and park assist and hill descent control with the Z7-1 package. Below that will be the push to start with integrated brake controller and your dual zone climate control with 2 USB ports on the side, auxiliary power on the bottom there. In the center console, you got lots of extra storage, and as well as a wireless charging pad, an AC wall port, and as well as 2 USB. Passenger side, same finish, power adjustable, heated and cooled, wooden chrome. You got the Z7-1 all-weather liners. You got speakers and vents up top, heads-up display there. You also got regular and digital rear view, and then here you can access your reading lamps, your power rear sliding window, and your power sliding sunroof. You got the blacked out 20-inch wheels on BF Goodrich Baja Champion all-terrain tires. Equipped with the Z7-1 package, you got the blackout badging, the retractable tow mirrors, more of the side steps as well. You got your black Trail Boss badging with more of the blackout lettering. Trailer hitch, fifth wheel just under. You got the monotube shocks with the exhaust and the multi-flex tailgate. Very nice looking there. Moving on to the rear interior, again more paneling storage right next to the speaker, power window with the wooden chrome accent. Back. Lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver side with rear cup holders, rear heated seating, as well as ventilation and 2 USB ports. Got the cup holder and armrest right in the center, as well as storage behind the seats, storage under, with lamps up top and handles on the side. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD LTZ Trail Boss, equipped with a 6.6-liter turbo diesel Duramax engine, as well as BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, heated and cooled seating, Google Assistant, adaptive cruise, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.